Rule 1. Friendship is built from repetition, not chemistry. The first myth to drop is that good friendships come from instant chemistry. Meeting someone, clicking, and that's that. Real closeness is built from something far less exciting. Showing up to the same place again and again, around the same people. Psychologists call it mere exposure. We trust what becomes familiar. The man you nod to at the gym every Tuesday slowly becomes the man you talk to, then the man you grab coffee with. So the rule isn't go find your people. It's go be a regular. Pick one or two places, a gym, a class, a hobby group, a volunteer shift, and return on a schedule. You're not there to make friends on day one. You're there to become familiar. Familiarity is the soil. Nothing grows without it.
Rule 2. You have to make the first move on purpose. Here's the rule that stings, because it puts the work on you. As an adult, almost no one is going to pursue you. Not because you're unwanted, but because every other grown man is just as unsure, just as busy, just as quietly afraid of seeming desperate. So everyone waits, and the waiting room stays full.